In 1943, while the world was literally at war with fascism, the US government released a short film called Don't Be a Sucker and Baby. It hits different today. The film follows an American man who listens as a Nazi sympathizer tries to divide a crowd of people, first blaming immigrants, then Catholics, then Jews, then outsiders. And each time, people just shrugged, saying, "It's not about me." Until it is. An older immigrant leans towards the American and explains the pattern. That's how it starts. You divide people. You isolate them. You make neighbors suspicious of neighbors. You convince the majority that they're superior, and by the time everyone realizes what's happening, freedom is already gone. This wasn't subtle. It wasn't abstract. It was a flashing red warning label stamped on history. The message? Fascism doesn't arrive wearing an obvious villainous cape. It arrives gift-wrapped as patriotism and promises of order, safety, and greatness. Sound familiar? It tells you who to fear. It tells you who to blame. It tells you some citizens matter more than others. And the most dangerous part? Ordinary people help fascism along because they think it won't touch them. History doesn't repeat because we're ignorant. It repeats because we think we're immune. So here's the real question. Are we recognizing the warning signs and shrugging the evidence away? Again, watch the film, then look around. What feels familiar? Comment. One line from the film, or one modern parallel. I shared the link to watch Don't Be a Sucker for free in my description below.